Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Viewers, subscribers, big up on yourself. You don't know so the attacking boss. They are NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production, my people. You see right about now, my viewers and subscribers. But what I tell you the truth, people, is a review them some if you do with that song, you know, people. Is a review them some if you do with that video, people. But on a real level, people, me never can call this a review, my people. Me only can call this song and this music video a life lesson, my people. And I want everybody, no joke about it, to check out this video, to check out this song, people, and this artist called Shabako. You understand, my people? Because the man released a video with a song called Faith, my people. No joke about it. When me tell about faith, people, right now me just go on a preview, you understand, of this video, my people. Me also go leave the link below in the description. All you have to do is just click on that link. That's going to take you right over there, people, to the full music video, you understand? Because this is something where everybody need to listen to, my people. No joke about it. So just check out this, my people. Right here, so.
Yeah. Can't eat, can't sleep. A lot for my mind and the pressure will leap. Asking with tears, oh Lord, why me? Me I suffer too long now, me I cry. Enough time is over now, the devil has a suicide. But them my mates back for me.
My viewers and subscribers, right now, my people, I have to big up Shabako, the artist. No joke about it, my people. And you see Live Wire Records, my people. Oh, Canada, One Family Records, my people. Me are telling the people because them are the main source behind the production of this, my people. You understand? Yo, this song, people, the words of it and everything in it, my viewers and subscribers, is something where anybody in trying times like now can relate to my people. Because the message of Shabako has sent out in a this, the man I make you know straight up say, yo people, a faith him I use and I go show people. Him still a faith, you understand? Him wanna explain about the trials them when face people, about people who deceive them, people, about everything you can think of, people, where there's something that will make you just get out and lose it, people. But him wanna make you know say he a faith. You understand? So it's a really positive song, people. It's a song where everybody can listen, everybody can relate to, my viewers and subscribers. The rhythm, everything for this thing just put together, my people. And as I say, people, boy, me not think say it's a review for me, people. It's just a lesson because I have watched this thing over 10 times, people, because the message behind it, people, the artist quality in voice, Shabako, people. Yo, me I tell the people, anywhere in a Jamaica, yo, Jamaican people, you need to take on to this artist, Shabako. You understand? You need people. And for the residents them on the east side over St. Thomas, me know now real for the artist, me know now fire for the artist. Me are telling you, people, Shabako, Faith, please just check below in the description, my people. Click on the link, my people, and go right over there and watch it. And please comment and make them know, say, you know, say the attacking boss, NEWLINK send me over. Shabako, Faith, One Family Records, oh Canada, Live Wire Records. Remember me telling the people, yo, channel, you can follow the artist, people, on all social media platforms, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Shabako, Facebook, Shabako, Instagram, Shabako, Faith. Big up on yourself. People, please check you out, Shabako.